What's up, guys? Today I thought I'd go ahead and give you a toolbox tour. Here we go. So first we'll start with my main box, the service cart. I actually just got this thing here because I wanted something more mobile and quick, and I'll put all my main tools in, and then I also have that big toolbox over there. Right now that other box is mostly empty because I've moved most of my tools, or at least most of my go-to tools, over to this box here. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So here in the top we have our sockets. These back here are Tecton 1/2 inch sockets, followed by the Sunex 3/4 inch sockets there. I'm sorry, not 3/4 inch, but the 3/8 inch sockets. And here we have our Tecton chrome sockets, all the sizes, 3/8 and 1/4 inch. Over here we have our Tecton 3/4 inch sockets here, all the way up to 2 inch, starting at 7/8. And then we have our Mac toolbars, the long pry bars, not toolbar, pry bars. And I have, this isn't even the longest one, I got another long pry bar. Try to get that back down in there. Got another pry bar over in the big one that was too big to fit in this box. Over here on the left I have my ratchets and extensions. This magnetic holder I actually got at Harbor Freight, pretty cool. I was able to utilize this side of the toolbox. I got my 1/4 inch ratchets and extensions here, and drivers, and 3/8 inch Matco locking flex head ratchet, and a Tecton 3/8 ratchet. And over here, just some tools for scraping off decals or putting on decals, as we do a lot of decal work here. I have my cutting wheels and grinding wheels here also. And also on the side I have the Tecton high torque screwdriver set. And then coming down into our first drawer here, we have our Sunex angle wrenches. These wrenches come in handy for hydraulic lines especially. We have the Mac Tools extension wrenches. Basically you can put a ratchet in here or an impact, and then put a socket on this end, and then just transfer the torque. And this is really good for getting into tight spaces. Got the Tecton swivel head ratchets, 1/2 inch Harbor Freight Pittsburgh 1/2 inch flex head, long Tecton 1/2 inch ratchet, Tecton 1/2 inch breaker bar, and a Mac Tools digital torque up to 250 foot-pounds. And more wrenches in this drawer. The Tecton metric wrench set from 8 all the way up to 22 millimeter. Mac Tools reversible ratcheting wrench from 7 all the way up to 19. And then also I got the jumbo size from 21 up to 32, so it's 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, and 32. And then double box end ratcheting flex head wrenches from Tecton from 8 all the way to 19. And this is my plier drawer. I also keep my big adjustable wrenches in here. The oil filter wrench, vice grip for cutting wires. Got these from Mac. Hose cut off gripping pliers. Harbor Freight hose and needle nose pliers. I believe this is the only snap-on tool I have in my box right now. Just some cutters, and then more wiring pliers here, and then a Mac Tools oil filter wrench. And down here is a hammer drawer, Harbor Freight punch and chisel set, Proto hammer set. These are the same as the Mac Tools hammers that you see on the truck, but I got these on Amazon and it has the name Proto instead. Tecton dead blow, 16 ounce, 32 ounce, and 48 ounce. Gear wrench, pick set. And I got this here on Mac Tools, it's a bit set. Got all these different bits in here. Pretty neat set. And then I have this puller, which we use primarily for pulling the wheels off of scissor lifts. Basically, something like that. Next drawer, Milwaukee Stubby 3/8 drive impact. Milwaukee 3/8 drive cordless ratchet. Milwaukee cutoff tool. Fluke digital multimeter. And I got the Power Probe 3G for diagnosing electrical issues. And a battery tester. And then down here at the bottom, got my DeWalt grease gun. I love that thing. Makes greasing really easy. And I got the lock and lube tip on there, so you just kind of attach that to the fitting. It holds on tight, and then you pull the trigger to grease it. Makita 3/4 inch impact. I believe the torque on that is 1200 foot-pounds, I believe. Nut braking torque. Makita drill, 12 volt impact driver. I have an air cap, air ratchet. It's a basic heat gun off Amazon, and someone found this and gave it to me. Not that I needed it, but nobody else here really uses Makita, so they're like, you might as well go ahead and take it. And that's pretty much it for the roll cart. Now we'll head on over to the big box. Now in the big box, I have my Craftsman set. This is the set that I actually started out with here. And then I added the other tools to Tecton later. Got in here the bigger Mac Tools pry bar. Got the CDI torque wrench, 3/4 inch. Goes up to 600 foot-pounds. I actually put this up on Amazon, about $500 and something. That CDI is a industrial brand of snap-on. Let's see, here it just has some Tecton nut drivers, some fastening hex keys. Here I have my Matco tab and die set. Everybody knows how valuable these are. When you have you have to retap edge or repair a bolt. The Lyle relay test kit, so you can test the relays with the relay in. Make sure your relays working fine. here I have the Tecton standard wrenches. So ratcheting wrenches, my non-ratcheting from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch in both sets. Box head, double box head flex ratcheting wrenches from 5/16 up to 3/4, and double in flare nut wrench set. Just pick these up at Harbor Freight. Don't really use them too often. Let's see here, it's Harbor Freight brake adjustment or brake bleeding set. Don't really use that too often. Empty drawer. Some diagnostic stuff in here. Analyzing for diagnosing, programming, GLG, booms, and scissor lifts. Diag tool for whacker nuisance machine. Test light. Micrometer. Some test lights. Tester for GFCI, depth tech or boroscope. You can use this, through your phone to go into areas that you can't really see. And I use this in a fuel tank not too long ago to see if something had fallen down in there, and it's waterproof or water resistant. Temperature thingamabob. Good light. Speaking of lights, I got these recently off Amazon. Easy Red. You can wear this around your neck, and it's really bright. So if you're looking down into an engine bay or under a car, you can see really good with that. Also have Mac Tools light here. My little GoPro battery charger. Keeps my batteries charged while I'm using the camera, so whenever my battery gets low I can just quickly swap it out with another battery that's charged already. Got my Makita chargers here, my 12 and 18 volt, and over here I have my Milwaukee charger and my DeWalt charger, and down here we just have some miscellaneous stuff that I don't use too often. Another grease gun, air grease gun, rivet gun, brake bleeding kit from Harbor Freight, back brace, not a whole lot going on there. Some more sockets. Eventually I'm gonna add this over to the roll cart once I get some socket rails for Tecton hex, long hex sockets from metric and standard, from 3 millimeters up to 10 millimeters, and from 1/8 inch all the way up to 3/8. And also another Tecton socket set. Hex sockets, 1/2 inch drive, hex sockets from 1/4 inch to 3/4, and from 6 millimeter up to 19. And just some miscellaneous stuff there. So once I start getting more tools, nope, no lunch, toolbox tour. Once I get more tools, they'll go in here. I'll have a whole bunch of little decals and things that I need. But yeah, oh yeah, and in this drawer, got another breaker bar, 3/8 inch breaker bar, 3/4 inch breaker bar, 3/4 inch ratchet from Tecton. All this from Tecton. Torque wrench for up to 150 foot-pounds, and Tecton 3/4 inch torque wrench up to 300 foot-pounds. And I think that's it for my toolbox tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And keep wrenching.